Everybody, what's going on, y'all? It's George here. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Right now we are actually trying to get through Connecticut. Some major accident happened up ahead. Check this out. Look at that. This traffic is barely moving. Well, it's moving a little bit quicker now, but we have already been here for over 40 minutes in this traffic, and it's like we have another 40 minutes, 46 minutes to go. You know, we're supposed to get empty with this thing at 9:30 was my time, you know, arrival time. Now it's, you know, 10:30, more than that. I just hope we get past through this traffic quick enough so we can make that delivery, y'all. Sorry, I'm not looking at you. I got to watch the road as well. But, hey, you know, it is what it is. I'm just hoping whatever happened up ahead, I'm just hoping everybody's okay. You know, accidents is not a thing to be messing around with. But speaking of which, y'all in Connecticut, slow down, man. It's always this state. I don't know what it is about this state. Connecticut, y'all don't know how to drive, or y'all just too crazy. Look at that. There's even this rest area right here. I'm even thinking of just trying to stop by and maybe grab me some coffee, some tea or something, you know, just a quick 5-10 minutes. But at this point, I don't even know if I want to do that. I don't want to waste any more extra time. Look at that, fellas. I just walk in to grab me some water and grab me a cup of tea, and traffic's moving. Let's G. All right, fellas, we made it. It is raining out here, but we're getting ready to check in. Let's back in, get loaded, and head back to North Carolina. All right. All right, guys, we made it just in the nick of time. We got a door. So go ahead and back in door 10. Our appointment is for 1 p.m. though. So it's 12:45. We just made it. So we're gonna open these doors, we're gonna back in, get loaded, and get the heck out of here, y'all. The padlock, guys. The padlock. Since my trailer door got busted. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out over here. You'll understand why I have that padlock on there. Let's go, y'all. It is raining outside. It's not cold. Now let's just wait and get loaded. All right, fellas, so we got our seal. We are loaded. Time to close up these doors. And time to get out of here. See what we got loaded with. It was windshield. It was windshield wiper fluid. Check that out. Look at all that. Yeah, we're gonna have to. Let me lock this door, but definitely have to tie up that load because we don't want it going anywhere. All right, load is tied up. We are good to go. We got loaded. Look at that. Sweet. Guys, I did end up finding myself another load for tomorrow. It wasn't anything too far. I think it was like 400 miles for like $1,000, something like that. So it's time to go because we are, it's 2:25 and we're still up north. So we got to get out of here. We got to get out of here because we got to make this delivery tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. So, yo, let's G. Look at this rain, man. It is pouring out here. You know, it's been a rough day. Just a really rough day, man. We had that traffic in the morning. We sat in that traffic for a little bit over an hour. So in the end, I stopped at that rest area. I got myself a cup of tea. I'll walk out. The traffic's moving. So that was good for me. We're already in Delaware, and I completely forgot to scale. Yep, guys, we need a scale. We need a scale. So let's go find a scale. We found a scale. We found a scale. Woohoo, sweet. All right, guys. I'm gonna pull up. We're gonna get scaled, and I'll let you know exactly what our weights are on the axles. Just pulled off the scale. We got our weights. Look, the way I do it, I use the Cat Scale app, and you know, if you guys haven't tried that app, you need to. You know what? It definitely beats walking inside the truck stop every single time. You know, especially if you got your scale over there, you gotta find parking, then you gotta walk inside, you gotta do all this stuff. You know, well, the Cat Scale is great. You use it, it scales right off your phone, it charges your card automatically, then you get an email. So we are good on our weights. Our total gross weight is 75,360 pounds. Our drives are 31,340, and our trailer is 32,580. We're just a little bit heavier on the trailer, but that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. It's nothing that's gonna, you know, cause a red flag or anything like that to get us pulled into a weigh station for inspection or stuff like that. So we're actually very good. Woo! All right, boys. It's cold in North Carolina, man, but we made it. Oh man, yeah, we were running late. We were super late, but hey, we checked in. We got a door. He's finishing up a truck right now, and as soon as that truck is done, he'll go ahead and he'll get us. So gave us door 6, which is right over there, so it shouldn't be too bad. We'll back right in and we'll be good to go. Let's pop open the seal. Driving through Connecticut, I hope we didn't tip anything, because man, rough trip, I'm telling you. Rough freaking trip. It is what it is, but all right. I'm about to show you how our load is looking. All right. Ready? Check this out. Bam. Perfect. Door 6, right over there. Right in front of that little yellow dumpster. Look at that. Nice. Ready? Truck and trailer. Look, guys, God is good. That's it. That's all I gotta say. We made it safely. We got a door. Right now, it's the green light right there. So as soon as that little green light turns red, that means they're getting us empty, and then as soon as it turns back green, we can go inside and get our paperwork. I've never been here before, so I really don't know how long they're gonna take. It looks like it's a place where they might want to, you know, break down some stuff here and there. But man, as soon as we're empty here, we're gonna head over. We're picking up a load from Mount Olive, North Carolina, and it's with pickles. So as soon as we get those pickles, and that's a fun one. I think that one we're gonna be waiting there all day or something like that to get loaded. It's a red light. Look at that. And he's unloading fast. So we should be out of here soon.